Hello friends, in last video we have to see the working and principle of JFET transistor. So now today we are going to study about the output characteristics of JFET. Output characteristics of JFET. Junction field effect transistor. So you know that about what is the junction field of transistors. That is the JFET transistors is a voltage controlled device. So that will be the input voltage VGS is input voltage is converted in the form of current, and that will be used for the output characteristics in the form of VGS. So this JFET we have to study the semiconductor device, and that can be used in also in vacuum tube. So that will the FET junction field of transistor we have to use in the modern electronic equipments oftenly used for these JFET transistors. So that is input impedance of characteristics we have to convert it into output form, output impedance form. So these different types of output characteristics we have to study in this topic. So firstly I will tell you the current the characteristics of current IB is a voltage source, drain voltage source, and that will be the JFET transistor is the current voltage VG, and we get the output characteristics is formed in the form of JFET. So we can study in this figure how to study these output characteristics. So see in this figure we get the battery and these are resistance, and these the JFET transistors across these terminals it are connected, and see the characteristics of produces the symbols in the V output VGE here. The characteristics we have to define the VGS. So here VGS is output characteristics producing from the current. So that is the symbols we can be used in this junction field effect transistors. How to get here the characteristics of this transistor make here used in this form of you have to use in this drain source and gate terminals. See here symbols we have to use these characteristics we have to perform it, and we get the currents produces to the VIB across the here the terminals we get V and IB current sources. VG, VBE and IB current sources. Sorry, here VDS voltage drain source, and here is the IB characteristics of current we have to produce in that circuits. we get the here transistors and the resistors we have to connected here, and this is the terminals. We get the batteries of high tension. We have to produce the in this way. The characteristics of that symbolic representation of that JFET is studied in this high tension batteries. So here we indicates that the characteristics of this value is VGS is equal to VGS is equal to the currents across the currents across that producing in these circuits. We get the VGS. We have to find it is input voltage. So that will be the currents across these circuits. In the drain source characteristics, we get the VGS is equal to input voltage and produces the JFET transistors characteristics, and we have to study it in the other end the source voltage, source drain voltage characteristics in this in the JFET transistors. So we can see here figure that transistors we have to build the terminals across the input current produces to output characteristics. So the graphical representation we have to see here the characteristics of that output form. See here that produces the graphical formation of the input characteristics of that according to that of VF, and that will be the terminals here indicates the output characteristics. So in these ID currents we have to produces the drain characteristic produces the output current, output voltage, and that will be the first we have to study the drain current ID is when rises drain current ID, and that will be rapidly converted in the form of voltage VBE form. So in the form of voltage VGS form is converted, and converted into VDS form. ID currents is rapidly changes and it will be converted in the form of voltage drain source terminals across, and that will be the current across the that of drain source voltage terminals. That will be the current flow that current flow is known as the pitch of voltage. So that we know that pitch of voltage. So secondly, we have to define the after that of pitch of voltage. After producing that pitch of voltage, the channels of is narrow depletion region produces, and that will be the that narrow depletion region is touch to each other, and that will be the that current passes through the current in that circuit is passes through the different types of between the layers, small passage of these different layers, and therefore that can be produces the drain current is very small within small size. So that will be the according to that of the VDS terminal across. So that will be the in the pinch off voltage we define the drain current in produces the pinch off voltage. The drain current at that time remains constant. So that we studied the characteristics it produces in periodic of wall like in that JFET junction field effect transistor. So in this way we can study the output characteristics of junction field effect transistors and how to some importance of JFET transistors it produces in the form of input output input to output form and is used in various types of electrical equipment and vacuum tube. So today's lecture we have to detail discuss. So any doubts, ask me and then tell me about the comments box, and then we have to discuss and reply it. So thank you.